What's going on, guys? Jeff here with Sack Welding, and today I'm going to be building a tube bender. All right, guys, here's the deal. I want a tube bender. I don't want to have to pay for one. So I'm going to build one for super cheap. So here's the items I did have to buy. A 12-ton bottle jack. Got this one from Canadian Tire. I've gone in, drilled some holes in the flange, and bolted a plate to it, so I'm going to be welding some tabs on here. The other thing I bought, this tube die. So this is from JD Squared. It's a nice machine part. Comes with a follower, clamp here. So that's what's actually going to be doing the bending. So here's all the metal I have cut already. It's mostly 2.5 by 2.5 square tube. Various thicknesses, basically just whatever I could get. This is some 1/4 inch flat bar that I've gone in, drilled some holes, cut some shapes. This is the round bar I got. This is 1.25 inches. This is 1 inch. And yeah. All right, so this is gonna be kind of the main structure of it. And honestly, I don't really have a plan for this. I'm just kind of cutting things. I saw a picture online of a design that I kind of want to follow. But other than that, I'm just kind of winging it. So let's start tacking some things up and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, got the frame all welded up. This is kind of the gist of what this bender is going to look like. I got these 2 tabs just tacked on here for now. I really wanted to just have a look and see what it was going to look like. And I ran into the first problem, which is I was planning to have the main center pin here in the middle. But if I was going to do that, then these holes here for where the jack is going to push down would be too close to this frame because it's such a small die, it wouldn't stick out far enough. So right now where I have it sitting is about as far as it can hang out on this side because this pin, which holds the tube in place, still has to come in and out. So the solution, I bought this DOM tubing, 1.25 inches with a 1/4 inch wall. So it's gonna fit over my 1.25 inch round bar just perfectly like that. So what I'm gonna do, I have it drawn out here, is I'm gonna have this tubing notched out of this pipe here. And then this is just gonna sit inside the tube like that. And then my pin's gonna go straight through. Alrighty, I made my notches for these DOM tubings. They're sitting in there nice. It's just tacked in there for now. But this die is ready to roll. She's in there, nice and square, nice and straight. So basically, how this is gonna work is I'm gonna put a tube in like so. And it's gonna come in over here. And then this guy goes on. And then a pin, which I need to get a 7/8 pin. That's just a 5/8 pin for now. But that's gonna sit there like that. Tighten this guy up here. So that's tight. And then basically what's gonna happen is the jack is gonna be somewhere up here like this with a tab up top and a tab down here. And it's gonna go and pin into here. Obviously this pin's gonna need to be shortened, but then the jack is gonna push down on that pin and it's going to rotate that die, and it's going to pull this end of the pipe up and bend it in a nice radius. Well guys, that's about all the time I can spend on this thing for tonight. I think it's going pretty well. This thing's starting to shape up. Got some more fabbing and some welding to do on this for the next episode. And we should be bending tube pretty soon here. So thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, and comment button. And let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys.